How to convert a WhatsApp group to a broadcast list. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you convert a WhatsApp group to a broadcast list. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that WhatsApp doesn't have any feature like you can convert a group into a broadcast list. But here is the easy manual method you can do. First, open the WhatsApp with your account. After you open WhatsApp, from there you'll have to just open your group chat. Now from here, you'll have to just tap on your group name at the top left. From your group info, you'll have to scroll down and come on the section of members. From the member section, you'll have to just copy all of the group details like their phone number or their contacts. After you saved their phone numbers and contact in your device, you'll have to just create a broadcast list. Simply for that, back from here and from the main screen, tap on plus icon at the top right. From here, tap on new broadcast, and from here, choose those contacts whom you want to add on broadcast list. Simply you can search in the source field. After you add them, tap on the create option at the top right. Now from here, you can send any message like in the group, but they will receive your message separately and they can reply come only on to you. It is perfect for announcements, any events or updates. But remember, only contacts who have saved your number will receive broadcast message. Simply you can send any message from here. That message will send separately to all members you have created on broadcast list. And that's it. This is the method you can try to convert WhatsApp group to our broadcast list. If this helped, hit the like, follow and share button. Thanks for watching. See you on next one.